One of the mysterious messages of Bayazid is when he heralded about the man who will be born in this region. A man who will have a greater position than Bayazid, and a man who will be respected in the entire world. And his name is al-Hassan. Sheikh al-Hassan al-Kharaqani was born in 963 CE in a village called Kharakan, just outside of Bastan. He lived for 73 years and died on the holy day of Ashura. Many of Iranian and Muslim scholars like Avicenna, Khwaja Abdullah Ansari, and King Mahmud of Ghazni were among the students and companions of Sheikh al-Hassan al-Kharaqani.
Sheikh al-Hassan al-Kharaqani had this message at the entrance of his house. Whoever comes to this place, feed them and don't ask about their fates. Because if they were favored by God who saw them worthy of the gift of life, then they're certainly worthy of being fed at the house of al-Hassan.
After so many years, the message of Sheikh al-Hassan al-Kharaqani is still being admired by Iranians. And that's why we're among the most hospitable people in the world. Shahriyar Azimi for Iran.